it. Okay, stay right there. And you just really grinning too. Okay, stay right there. Okay guys, this is the next morning, but I put this hoodie back on because I've been cold, but I wanted to show you guys the end result really quick. This is what my hair looks like. It is so hydrated because all I used was oil and grease. You guys see how I don't need any gel? Like, just put something thick on your hair and then put a scarf on and sleep with it overnight. And this is pretty much how I wear my hair for the most part. Like, I like this little twistedy doopty doop situation that I do because it helps protect my edges. I love Buck. He is back there on it. But yeah guys, this is the end result. What else to say? I mean, you see. Oh my god, come here. Yes guys, so this is the end result. My hair is soft, moisturized, it's hydrated, my scalp doesn't itch. I think next week I'm probably going to start doing like co-washes because this past 3 months every week I've been using shampoo, and I think my hair is completely done with the shampoo. So I feel like I need to either do a protein treatment or start doing cold washes to help my hair kind of soften back up. I did cut a grip of hair off. Probably I would say a good 4 to 5 inches of my hair. I cut it off. I just snipped while my hair was still in the twist. But yeah guys, this is the end result. I'm probably not going to do anything to my hair. I was going to take the twist or the band out of it, but I think I'm going to just leave it alone. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, thank you guys. Bye. Can you say bye? Bye. Oh my gosh. Bye y'all.